Welcome back. During Ramadan, it is very important for us to have a nutritious meal to keep us healthy and satiated. Let's meet Chef Tarun, who will show us these wholesome recipes in today's episode of Pinch of Health.
Hello everyone, this is Tarun here. Welcome to Pinch of Health. A lot of you must be thinking what to eat during this Ramadan. So today I'm going to bring a healthy recipe which is going to be a salad, a Middle Eastern salad called tabbouleh. The core ingredient in tabbouleh is bulgur, but today I'm going to replace it with cauliflower. Let's check out the ingredients. We have lime, tomatoes, grated cauliflower, fresh parsley chop, mint leaves, garlic, black pepper powder, salt and olive oil. Before we begin for the salad, we are going to cook cauliflower. So we'll take olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, grated cauliflower, five tablespoons of grated cauliflower. We will saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll take 1 tomato. We'll chop them finely. We'll take our mixing bowl. So this cauliflower is done, nicely toasted. Until it cools down, I'm going to take 2 cloves of garlic and I'm going to chop it fine. Mint leaves, 10 to 15 mint leaf, and we're going to thinly shred it. Lime, so we'll keep 1 wedge of lime here. We'll bring the cauliflower back. Three tablespoons of chopped parsley, chopped tomato and garlic and mint. For the seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and now we'll just mix it. Fresh lemon juice, see, it was so easy. As you can see, it's completely mixed. So this is ready. We'll take a serving bowl. So this is your healthy, refreshing salad, and you can make it in few minutes. Also, I'm going to add 1 lime wedge if you want to add a little lime twist to it. So cauliflower tabbouleh is ready to eat. So salad was grain free. We'll make sure our drink is full of grains. So we are going to make oatmeal pina colada. For oatmeal pina colada, we need 3 simple ingredients. We have fresh pineapple, whole oatmeal and coconut water. So let's begin. So we'll take half pineapple, 2 tablespoons of whole oats, and 1.5 cup of coconut water. So let's blend. So this is the serving glass. So this is your vegan oatmeal pina colada. I have not added any sugar here, but if you want, you can add honey, you can add brown sugar, or even stevia. For the garnish, fresh pineapple. Oatmeal pina colada is ready to go. So oatmeal pina colada with very light salad, it's a perfect combination for your Ramadan or your summer treat. Let's take a quick recap. For cauliflower tabbouleh, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in non-stick pan. Add 5 tablespoons of grated cauliflower and saute them. In the meantime, chop 1 tomato finely, 2 garlic cloves chopped finely, handful of mint leaves, thinly shred them, and lime 1 veg. Take mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, sauteed cauliflower, add chopped tomatoes, chopped garlic, shredded mint, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and mix it properly. Take serving bowl, pour mixed salad, and garnish with 1 lemon wedge. For drinks, oatmeal pina colada. Take blender jar, add half cup pineapple cut, add 2 tablespoons of whole oats, add 1.5 cup of coconut water, blend it until it smoothens. Take serving glass, pour oatmeal pina colada into glass, garnish with slice of pineapple, and serve chilled. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Keep watching Z Connect. I'll see you next week with more healthy options. Take care. Ramadan Kareem.